Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Workload exceeds payment expressed by ASHA. Basketball knockout tournament concluded today. And Meghalaya Speaker Met Patlingdor launches the official website of the State Assembly. And now the news in detail. With an aim to assist the community in taking care of those who need health assistance, health workers or ASHA have been working tirelessly with a meager amount of salary. Speaking to the media, June Mersing, the representative of the organization, informed that they will submit the memorandum to the Chief Minister and urges the government to give them a fixed honorarium like other ASHA get in other states. Their responsibilities are too high compared to their honorarium, which is just Rs 2,000 per month, and it's not sufficient even for a few days.
State government ni kumba kilek lang hakiwi ki state namar ngisat don kene ka national conference ka balong shisnem teng ngila balong sidali ngila balong visa kapatanam kumta terter te ki jingi kendo lang jingi kumtu ngila bah kiwi ki state kidon ki state ki basiwi ki asha shifau hajar shi banai kidon ki state basiwi ki asha khat ar hajar shi banai kidon ki state basiwi lai hajar ar hajar saw hajar terter tena kiliang jingi ngi kwa aken bangin yo lang ya kata kumba kiwi kiyo namar ngitrai kejuk kakam ngidon kejuk ka kerteng bat ngipong kejuk ki uniform.
The Open to All Knockout Basketball Tournament 2021, organized by the Khasi Student Union Meghalaya Circle, concluded today, the 18th March 2021. In the tough final game, the Shillong Labet won against the Tililang A from the female category, and in the men's category, the Yainet team won against TS. Present at the program were the representatives of the different organization, the locality heads, women folk and others. Speaking at the program, El Marngar, president of the KSU central body, said that it is such a sad scene when it comes to sports in the state because there is no proper sports policy in the state, even though there are many youths who have brought glory and fame to the state, but on coming back to the state, what they get was nothing but bouquet of flowers. Despite this fact, he encouraged the youth not to lose hope but to perform well and give their best in everything they do.
Ontan kinong ilakai by simbenta hakani ka tournament andai khamtam ya phi wai ki hap ki badan khi dang san ki samla ngaso banong makaliang chuka sen isim baka jing sneu ki jingdi pan puat kumudrox bak kiwi de kilong kinong sun ki bakrau tam ya ki imlang salang akajat penriu jungi naror midang dai kajat penriu badang red midon kam ya kaban ya pten lenti midon kam ya kaban kon persa ya kini ki jing sneu balong ki knyang ki ban sabam krun ya ka jinglong kerpang jong kari kajat penriu kham tam ya jing scam jong kajat penriu rokawai.
The Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Met Patlingdor, today launched the official website of the State Legislative Assembly at a brief function which was held in the Annex Hall in the presence of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. On the occasion, the Assembly Speaker also presented the calligraphy copy of the Indian Constitution to all the MLAs.
This are business bulletins which can also be downloaded from the website. Other important documents like the rules of procedure and conduct of business bulletins are also available in the website. We will be updating the website from time to time. Honorable members can also give their valuable feedback and suggestions from time to time. Thank you.
Open. These are items. Beautiful.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma told the State Assembly that the state government had sent the demi-official letter to the Union Home Minister on the 25th August 2020, followed by a demi-official letter dated 17th November 2020 to urge upon the Government of India to strongly consider on the proposal for inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. Replying to the question raised by opposition Congress legislator Mohendro Rapsang, who wanted to know the steps taken by the state government to pressure the union government for inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages on the 8th schedule of the constitution. Sangma said that recently, during the visit of the Union Home Minister to the state on the 23rd January 2021, a memorandum was submitted where the matter also included for his kind consideration. Chief Minister also informed the House that the official letter was sent to the chairperson of National Commission for Scheduled Tribes on the 28th May 2019, urging upon him to follow up the matter with the Government of India.
Facilitate the process of codification, including the need to promote language cultivation and process of standardization as a preparatory step towards inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the Honourable Member from Ramrai, Honourable Member from Nongpo, Honourable Member Shri Mohendro Rapsang, Honourable Member Shri P.T. Sokme, Honourable Member Dr. Amperin Lingdo, and Honourable Member Shri Zenith M. Sangma. And I apologize if I've left out anybody else, but I would thank all the other members who have participated in this resolution today.
On the education scenario in the state, Meghalaya Education Minister Lakshman Rumbui informed the House that the regularization of teachers under RMSA cannot be considered since the teachers under this scheme are appointed under contractual basis and signing of agreement is mandatory for any contract. Replying to a zero-hour notice moved by Mausanram MLA H.M. Shangpliang on the RMSA teachers, Rumbui said that in view of the teachers' resignation and filling up of vacant posts, the State Authority Mission approves to all posts and filling up these vacant posts does not take time due to adherence of procedures. Earlier, the minister also informed that Union Ministry of Education has approved 81 secondary schools in the state and government has made 79 schools operational with recruitment of 379 assistant teachers, of which 63 are headmasters and 316 are assistant teachers.
That's till date, the Ministry of Education, Government of India has approved and sanctioned 81 number of secondary schools in the state of Meghalaya, and the state has made 79 schools functional and recruit 379 assistant teachers, of which 63 are headmaster, headmistress, and 316 are assistant teachers.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.